treachery is getting people killed and causing other damage in ways we cannot begin to know.
The silly Cern, he was a double. His own people tried to kill him. He escaped, and now he wants to defect.
You're a good man. I'm trying to be.
Why are you in my office?
Because there's a mole in the building and you are a resident mole hunter.
I told you I'm done.
You didn't look done when we found you outside Piper's house.
I have a plan, Eve. I'm gonna make our money troubles a thing of the past.
Vasily Cern may be our best lead, but I need him here, safe in America.
I urge you, brothers and sisters, to offer your bodies as a living sacrifice.
Oh, did they kill him?
I don't know.
Were they Russian?
I don't know.
How did they know you were coming?
I don't know. I don't know.
They take talented, caring people and poison us.
The hour has come for you to wake up.
You're being paranoid.
I'm feeling paranoid.
Get ready. We're going to war.